Okay, so members, now let us turn to this question where we say, now we are going to say example 2, where we say you can take the reaction at one angle as you see there. One reaction, then it makes an angle theta with the vertical. So uniform rod, whenever you hear uniform rod, it means that the weight is going to act at the midpoint of that rod. Of 6 kilograms and length 4 meters is free hanged at A to a vertical wall. A force P is applied at B to keep the rod horizontal and in equilibrium. R is the force of reaction at a hinge and makes an angle theta to the vertical as shown in the diagram below. So this is what they are giving you. In some questions, they are not going to sketch for you, but for starters, the sketch is there. Find the magnitude of the force PQ and angle theta. So you need this. They are giving us this. Now we start by putting our forces here. We are going to be having, first of all, the weight acting in the middle. So the weight is going to be there. We get the mass, which is 6 kilograms times B. That's how we get the weight, because the weight is going to act in the middle. After putting our weight, because it's in the middle, remember this was a length of 4 meters, so it means from here up to here, there are 2 meters. Because this weight will act in the middle for a uniform rod. And then from here up to here, we are going to have also 2 meters up to there. Okay, then after we resolve these 2 forces here. Resolve this is going to be the horizontal component, and this is going to be the vertical component. So this one is going to be, hope remember how we resolve. This is going to be, you see it's going to be P, then this is an adjacent, so it's going to be cos 30. Then the horizontal is going to be here, but now, because take moments, it's the same as putting it here. It is going to be P, then you see it's opposite to this. Sine, it's P, sine 30 degrees. Okay, when you come to this, now you see here the angles here. So this one is going to be the adjacent, so it's going to be R cos theta. Then this one is going to be this one here is going to be the opposite. So it's going to be in this form, which is going to be R sine theta. So we have finished resolving all those forces. So you say it's better you resolve horizontally and then vertically. So resolving horizontally in this order, it means that these forces, horizontal forces, we have this going in that direction. We have R sine theta. You see, it's the only force going the other side. It means that this one is going to be equal to this one, which is coming this side, because this rod was held. It's being held by this force. Keep it in equilibrium. So meaning this force here is going to be equal to that force here, P cos theta degrees. They call this equation 1. Okay, then we resolve vertically. Vertically, we have this and this. So it means that now R cos theta plus this B sine 30 degrees, they are going to be equal to this 6B, because these 2 forces have to be the same as this vertical force there acting downward. So this is question 2. Now you see it's about now take moments, but the question is where exactly are you going to take our moments from? Either take them here or here. And because we have a lot of unknowns here, so we decide to take our moments here. So take my moments at A. Anti-clockwise, it means that now, using the principle of moments, the anti-clockwise moments are going to be equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moments is equal to the sum of clockwise moments. So anti-clockwise, you see from here, this one is going like this. So I'm going to be having, first of all now, P sine theta, sine 30 theta, then times the major distance from here up to this point here. So that from here up to here, they are forming as this plus this. So times 4, then plus. You see that now here, anything that is coming from here where we are taking moments from is going to be 0. So you see this one is coming from there and this one is coming from there. So this is going to be 0 and then that is going to be 0. So we are having r cos theta times 0, then plus r sin theta times 0 because they don't have perpendicular distances from here. So it will be equal to, now you see this force is acting now clockwise. Okay, that's why I'm going to say now from D times the perpendicular distance from R from here and then from here up to here, we have only 2. So this one goes, this one goes. So you see that we will be having only 4B sine 30 degrees equal to 12B. But you know that sine 30 is a half. So you have 4B times a half equal to 12B, which is that my B here is going to be 6B newtons. So I have there my, so after getting this, you see that I can easily get R from here. And then I can make it there. So from here, you can see that my P sine 30, I can put there. So from 2, you see from 2, now I can say my R from here, my R cos theta, then plus my P, which is 6B, my P 6B, then sin theta times a half will be equal to 6B. And from there, I take this side, is that my R cos theta is going to be equal to 3B. Because it's going to be 3 minus 6, which will be 3B. Okay, I call this equation equation 3. Okay, I also come and because we have P here, so I come and I substitute there. So from, okay, let me say from equation 1, we have our R sin theta equaling to P, which is 6B, cos theta 30 degrees, which is root 3 over 2. Okay. From here, I can also put that cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 over 2. These are special angles from 3. So you see, this one is going to be, so our R sin theta is going to give us 3D root 3. I call this equation 4. So I have R, I have sin, so I can every do this so that I can form a tan from here. I say equation 4 divided by equation 3. What we have now R sin theta equaling to 3D root 3 over 3D. So you see this one is going to cancel. Sine over cos comes tan theta equaling 2. Now this one cancels root 3. And if that is the case, you start from there. Our theta is going to be 60 degrees. Now we have our theta. So what I remain with, you can come and get our R from here or from here. It's up to you. So from 3, my R cos 60 is going to be 3D. I know that our cos 60 is a half. So R times a half equaling to 3D. So my R becomes 6B newtons. As simple as that. Give me the value of D, you can empty substitute D with ease. So I have R, I have P, I have theta. Now, what is an alternative? You can do this number using the idea of Lami's theorem. So I'm going to note that. Okay, note, and now my R It's going to be 6 times 9.8. So my R, okay, 6 times 9.8, which is 58.8 newtons. Okay, then my P, which is 6 times 9.8. My P is also going to be 58.8 newtons. As simple as that. So, note, we can also use Lami's theory. Alternatively, Lami's theory, we can use Lami's theory. I think you can see these forces here. I can able use Lami's theory with ease. How? You see these forces are going to form something. So, when I put this force here, let me start with this one of 6G. Now you see this force here in relation to this here. You see this force here? It's going to be this force P. Here it's going to form 30 degrees. If I have 30 degrees, now when I bring this here from the horizontal here, I think you can see it here. This is going to be IR. So if this is, remember, this is 90 and this is 90 here. And now we have seen that if this is theta, then this is going to be 90 minus theta. And because here, our theta here, we've got it as 60 degrees. You can see that this one is going to be 30 degrees. And this will be also, and this will be 60 degrees. As simple as that. So now you can see that we can formulate a one force. This is going to be 120. This is going to be 120. This is going to be 120. This is going to be R. This is going to be B. This is going to be 6B. 6B. What does this say? It says that P over sine 120 is equal to R over sine of the angle opposite equaling to 6B over sine of the angle opposite. As simple as that. Or from here, if you don't have that theta, then all of this will be 90 minus theta, and this will be, if this is theta, then this will be 90 minus theta, and this will be 90 minus. This is 90 minus theta, means that now you can get this, then you leave it as theta, then you compress your number. So that's the idea where I can use Lami's. I wish you well.